Before you begin, consult both the vehicle manual and the booster seat manual for instructions. In this video, you will learn general steps to position a booster seat and buckle a child in with a lap shoulder seat belt. Position the booster seat on a vehicle seat with a lap shoulder belt. Check the manual to know how much of the booster seat must be on the vehicle seat. Not all booster seats allow overhang. Most high-back booster seats do not allow a gap behind the booster seat back. Check the manual to know what is allowed. If the vehicle head restraint interferes with the car seat, check the vehicle manual to see if the head restraint is adjustable or is allowed to be removed. Some booster seats may be used with UAS. If you are using UAS, attach both UAS connectors to the lower anchors in the seat bight or crease of the vehicle seat. Listen for a click. Tug gently on the connectors to make sure they are firmly attached to the lower anchors. Remove slack as instructed in the manual. Seats without UAS connectors are positioned firmly on the vehicle seat. High back boosters have a shoulder belt guide which must be adjusted for the child's torso height. Ask the child to sit in the booster seat. Booster seats may have armrests, routing guides, or another clearly marked belt path for the lap and shoulder belts. Route the lap shoulder belt as instructed in the booster seat manual and buckle it. Tug on the shoulder portion close to the buckle to remove slack from the lap belt. Check the seat belt fit on the child. The shoulder belt should touch the chest and cross the collarbone in between the neck and shoulder. The lap belt should be low on the child's hips, touching the thighs and not up on the belly. The child should have head support up to at least the top of the ears. If you are having difficulty achieving a good fit, try a different seating position in the vehicle or try a different booster seat.